Alright, what's up with it? What's up with it? Today we're gonna be talking about how to overcome the ego. Alright, so let's break it down. So the ego, we're gonna look at it from a dualistic point of view. You got positive ego versus negative ego. Your positive ego, that's the ego that's applied to the effort. You know what I'm saying? That's your effort that's applied to your spirit guided truths. Alright, because ego versus spirit, that means Cain versus Abel. You get what I'm saying? So Cain is the ego, Abel is the spirit. So working in balance, them two brothers were supposed to be working in balance. The spirit's supposed to be guided by the truth. And that means that the ego is only supposed to be putting forth effort in balance with the spirit to get the truth done. You get what I'm saying? So anytime I step outside of that, that's a carnal mind. That's the negative ego. We call that Lil Nicky. So anytime Lil Nicky try to surface, we make his ass go sit over there in the corner because we don't need him to do anything. That's that little demon child. You know what I'm saying? So look, your negative ego, that's tied to your lower instincts. It's tied to pride, fear, desire, guilt, shame, survival mode, impulses of the flesh like lust, desire, you know what I'm saying? Low vibrational shit. So it's also tied to archonic forces, adversarial forces, which is deceptive influences that feed on ignorance, pride, and fear. So key word, ignorance. Anytime you ignorant about something, that means you're confused about it. That's another duality. Understanding versus confusion. So anytime you feel confused about something or ignorant about something, you want to go find understanding before you make any future decisions. That's peace be still. You want to sit down for a minute before you make your next decision. All right. So look, how to overcome your ego. As long as your ego is being applied to spirit guided truths, which is the truth is God, right? God is the truth, but guided, you know what I'm saying, by your spirit guided truths. That's what your ego is for, to apply effort, because that's the strong one. The ego actually pretty strong, but see, we break it down into positive ego and negative ego. So the strength of the positive ego is for the effort. That negative ego, which is Lil Nicky, we just make him go sit over in the corner. You know what I'm saying? So that's how you can overcome your ego. You just break it down and you see, okay, am I operating from pride, fear, desire, guilt, or am I operating from spirit guided truths? I'll show you.